So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change vendor name in Shopify. So the first thing you want to do is go to your admin panel on Shopify. So it will look something like this. On here you can see home, orders, products, customers, marketing, discounts, content, markets, ad, settings, and stuff like that. So on here go to products. Through the products page you will just need to click on the product you want to change the vendor on. So just click on one product or some products. And on here you can see the title, description, media, category, pricing, inventory, shipping, variants, and stuff like that. And on the right part of the page, you can see product organization like type, vendor, collections, tags. So on here you can see vendor. So you can see my store, that's the only one available. So we'll click on that. If there are more vendors or multiple options, you can choose between those. So if I click on this and swipe it out, so I can just go ahead, you can see add. So you can add and change the vendor name to it, or you can just keep the current one that's been before. So it's completely up to you. From your product organization, you can even put in the type of product it is, the collection it's a part of, or the tags that it should have. So there's a few options, but for the vendor name, you can just go ahead and switch it up to say uh, new vendor, and you can click this plus sign to be added to a new vendor name that you changed to, but my store is the only available right now. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Shopify or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.